In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer ton from Bybit to OKX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend starting this process on the Bybit website, but you should be able to follow as well through the mobile app. When you go to the Bybit website, sign into your account and then choose the withdraw option. So on your account options, find withdraw. This will allow you to transfer your ton into an exchange wallet outside of Bybit. So once you choose withdraw, you will be able to start this process. You can also go over to your funding account and the same option will be available here at the right side of any asset that you have under the action menu. So once you finally choose withdraw, after you select TON, in this example screenshot I'm showing Bitcoin, but of course you can do the same thing with TON, you will be able to start it. So the main thing is the wallet address. This is going to be the wallet address from OKX. If you already have it registered on your account, then you can choose it over here. But if you still need to add your OKX wallet address, choose the add option. This will bring up the address book. As the name suggests, in here you will have wallet addresses for every single exchange wallet that you have added. Of course, these are external exchange wallets. And you can do the exact same thing with OKX. So you choose the add option, you select TON, and you input the wallet address from OKX. To acquire it, if you haven't already, go into the OKX mobile app, access your assets, find TON from the list, and once you select it, you will find the deposit option. Once you choose deposit next to TON, you will get the QR code, but most importantly, the wallet address. So copy this wallet address and you are ready to finish making this transfer. So add the wallet address into the address book, and it is now going to be available for you to select. So you can choose it here as the wallet address for this withdrawal request, and then you can input the amount. Be aware of any possible fees, and I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything is okay. If you receive the small amount, then you can go ahead and send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer TON from Bybit to OKX. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.